We are going to review top 5 best skateboards for beginners. Let's get started. List number 1. Minority 32-inch maple skateboard. Deck uses 7-ply maple rock joined by epoxy glue, making it shock resistant and flexible. It can support the weight of up to 220 pounds, making it a good option for people with weight. The concave is fairly medium. Its spacious nose and kicktail offer exceptional maneuverability. The design can befit beginners willing to practice basic skills as well as advanced riders who want to use multiple tricks. Trucks are a genuine aluminum alloy, and each is a 5-inch. It has kingpin, rust-free hardware while the axle is chrome steel. Apart from that, its 32mm, 10A, high recoil polyurethane wheels produce immense power with only a little amount of force, unlike the prior model. List number 2. POSITIV Team Complete Skateboards. The Andy McDonald model is the one that is the biggest of all others. With a width of 8 inch and length of 32.125, the deck suits quite a lot of riders. It is essential to know that every deck uses the demanding specification given by SKATEBOARD, making use of its proprietary presses and veneer source. The air lamp process joins multiple plies of wood and makes use of waterproof glue to do that. The bottom has an SSD slide treatment that enhances the length of its rider's slide. When focusing on the Andy McDonald model only, it's essential to mention the wheel dimensions. This is because these are quite general and suit riders of all age groups. The wheel diameter is 54mm and they have 99A hardness that's perfect for skating road. List number 3. POWELL Golden Dragon Night Dragon 2 Complete Skateboard. PGD deck is an exceptional board when it comes to features. It is about 32 inches long and 8 inches wide. This size is a little less than the usual street deck. However, a deep concave bend balances out well. Also, it does not lack strength despite its narrow width. The weight of the deck resembles that of 7-ply maple deck, but it stays stiff longer than other ordinary boards. Besides this, all POWELL Peralta decks have a wide and robust polymetric strap. It is so strong and flexible that even if the board breaks, it's going to hold the deck together. This makes it a safe option for beginners who are prone to falls. The wheel has a 54mm diameter, 37mm width. List number 4. HIKOLE Skateboard. What's so special about this HIKOLE skateboard? Let's take a look. If you intend to go beyond the basics, this 31 by 8 inch full-sized board is a great option. Once you get used to a board, skill training becomes easier. Hence, purchasing a long-term board may be a wise choice. The steady build, combined with the unique characteristics of the HIKOLE, makes it a good beginner skateboard. The high-density 7-layer Canadian maple wood deck is sturdy enough to bear up to 220 pounds. That is to say, adults and children, both can ride on this board. The double-kick concave design also makes it easy for you to practice basic stunts and tricks. Rolling down a rough terrain is no challenge due to the grip tape on the deck. List number 5. KPC Pro Skateboard. It uses Canadian maple to construct decks that are 8.0 by 32 inches. This model can be an instant pick for pro skaters who are looking for an upgrade of their board model. Its modern concave allows for comfort and makes learning new tricks quite easy. You can also flip the board with little effort. The material used for trucks is aluminum, which has a 5-inch hanger attached to a steel axle. It has 52mm, 99A high rebound wheels. And ABEC 7 bearings have an 80 grit black tape. The material of the wheel is softer than many others present in the stores. The sole issue of this product is that of the slow bearings. So upgrading the bearings will turn the board into a great one.